Introducing Pearl News magazine published by Pearl Science Laboratory in 2002. Special feature: Who is the inventor of cultured black pearls? Representative of Pearl Science Laboratory Dr. Hiroshi Komatsu. The issues of June, July, and August 2002. On June, July, and August issues of Pearl News, Dr. Hiroshi Komatsu, the representative of the Pearl Science Laboratory, mentioned that it was Mr. Susumu Tokashiki of Ryukyu Pearl Co., Limited who has succeeded in culturing black pearls for the first time in the world. Dr. Hiroshi Komatsu investigates many materials related to the pearl cultivation, and he explains when and who was the inventor, about general pearl cultivation from several perspectives. Considering invention problems in pearl culture, Part 1. Invention: to think and make it clear the right reason for things. To consider about machinery/equipment, method, technique, etc. for the first time. From Kojin, edited by Shinmura, published by Iwanami. Kabira Bay, Ishigaki Island. Transfer from Naha Airport and get off at Ishigaki Airport. One big advertisement pop into my eyes in the airport lobby. The world's first birthplace of black pearls, Japan's first birthplace of South Sea pearls. Ryukyu Pearl Co., Limited, headquartered in Ishigaki Island, was truly a signboard to the best of my knowledge. In the 1980s, they have succeeded ahead of the other companies in a series of pearl farming processes, from bringing in the South Sea pearl oysters from overseas, hatching, breeding, and producing pearls. Above all, the success of the pearl farming with black pearl oysters made us aware of its existence. In 1971, I suppose, over the past 60 years, many people took on challenges around the world, and the sea here in Yayama produced the peacock-colored pearls. 2, 99% and 1%. The Weekly Pearl newspaper on February 1, 2002, Heisei 14, published the following article. The Japan Black Pearl Import Council, JBP, Chairman Takezo Koyama, commemorates the 40th anniversary of the first successful Japanese technologists culturing black pearls in Tahiti. The party was held grandly. At the award ceremony, after a greeting from Chairman Koyama, a letter of appreciation was presented to Mr. Tadashi Muroi, who has succeeded in culturing black pearls in Tahiti in 1962. Fig 1 is an article in this magazine number 109, December 2000 issue, quoted from the purchase by Mr. Yoshihiro Hisada. Since 1983, the rapid increase in import volume, equals production volume, has been drastically depicted in the line chart. It is even estimated that the production has reached nearly 11,250 kilograms, 11.25 tons, in 2002. All the black pearls on the global market now, can be said that those are from Tahiti. Ryukyu Pearl Co., Limited, still produce cultured black pearls in Ishigaki Island. These pearls are mainly sold at their own retail stores. However, the amount is incomparable with Tahiti. One scheme emerges from this situation. Cultured black pearls equals Tahiti production. Equals success by Mr. Muroi in 1962. 3. Think about what an invention is. When and who invented the cultured black pearls? If this question is raised simply, people would debate whatever they like of the let 100 schools of thought contend will arise, and most of the answers will be mainly when and who, which is not the point in the question. The point is to verify the contents of this invention. What is the invention in pearl farming, or the meaning of the invention? 4. Great invention of the century, mantle transplantation method. The patent number 30771 pearl formation method, application October 24, 1907, patent February 15, 1917, is one of the important documents for the people in this field. It is called Nishikawa method or Peace method and has been the basis of aquaculture technology for a long time until now. Implementation of the present invention is a pearl bag for living cells, such as a sword, and a pearl bag. Examples of cells are covered with a mantle. The pearl bag is composed of pearl bags that are inserted into the tissue of the shell or other shells that are used for injection needles, etc., and the pearl bag is formed. It is extremely difficult because the technical content is written in the technical term of patent. In order to understand the great inventions of the century, I will try some explanations below. Life cell shellfish body twist means a live shellfish. Mantle covering cells connecting cell tissue will cut means to cut out the cells, which is the tissue, organ, of the shell body that covers the surface of the mantle and the tissue around it, which has the role of making the shell. Since it was impossible at the time to take out only cells because of the microscopic technology is required, so the surrounding tissue containing cells was cut out. What is the cell form pearl bag composition? Make up pearl bag, therefore form pearls, the most difficult one to translate. This is the core of a great invention. The cells that line the surface of the mantle, called outer epithelial cells, begin to proliferate when transplanted into the body. Normal cells die, but the outer epithelial cells proliferate. The reason is still unknown. And it makes a bag-shaped tissue in the body. This is called a pearl bag. Pearls are made in this bag. Therefore, this pearl bag is the main character of pearl making. Pearls can be produced in shellfish, whether wild or farmed, because there are pearl bags in both of the shellfish's bodies. Sections with suitable nuclei, or only sections without nuclei, refers to the relationship between the nucleus and pearl formation. It means that the existence of a nucleus is not essential for pearl making. It doesn't matter whether you put it in or not. Intercept, the peripheral tissue contains cells, the nucleus is not directly needed to make pearls, as the slices become pearl bags and make pearls. However, when the nucleus is put together, the pearl bag becomes a round pearl bag because it wraps around the nucleus. Then the pearls will also be rounded. So to speak, the nucleus is one of the tools for regulating the shape of the pearl bags, pearl. 5. Akoya, black, South Sea, and Hyriopsis schlegeli of all pearl farming is in the category of great invention. It should be noted here that the type of shellfish is not fixed in this patent. Since it is just a living shellfish, it includes all shellfish that are likely to make pearls, such as Akoya pearl oysters, black pearl oysters, South Sea pearl oysters, or freshwater pearl oysters. In other words, mantle transplantation bold right arrow pearl bag formation invented the principle of pearl formation, because it was patented. After this, all attempts to make cultured pearls will be made in accordance with this principle. The power of this invention patent is very influential. Can you imagine? Immediately after applying for a patent, the inventors seek shells suitable for pearl making in the world's oceans and explore the lake. In the next issue, I will first introduce the history of seeking those shells and pearls, and will pursue the theme of the title. Continued to the next issue.